Hey yummies, a very warm welcome to the channel. We made cornstarch ice cream in our previous video. If you've not watched it, I will link it down in the description. It's your girl Yummy Cash. Today we're going to make a very simple fried fish recipe, and we are going the Ghanaian way. Oh yes, the best way to fry your fish. I hope you do enjoy this video and you take one or two tips from this video. First of all, I grew up and defrost my fish. Today I'm using Medusa. In fact, Melusa fish. You can simply use any fish of your choice. I cut them into the desirable sizes of my choice. And the next thing is to give it a very good wash. First of all, I add some water to it and then add in some lemon juice. The lemon juice here is going to remove all the fishy, that bad, you know what I mean, that fishy smell from the fish. It is really important. Do not skip this part, please. Now at this point, you're going to remove that layer of white materials or particles and also the black stains particles inside the fishes. Okay, if yours have already been removed, then you are blessed. Once I'm done with that, I'm going to give it a second wash, and this time around I'm going to be adding in some salt to it. Now the addition of the salt is to remove any impurities from the fishes and also to remove any inhibit bacteria from the fish. And one more thing too is to season the fish very nicely. It gives it that nice taste. You know what I mean? A very warm welcome back to the channel. If you are an old subscriber, and a very big warm welcome to the channel. If you are new here, consider subscribing, give this video a big thumbs up, and do not forget to share it out to your family and friends. Thank you. So once I'm done with the second washing, I will discard the water. Alright, at this point, I will clean the bowl, making sure even a drop of water is cleaned. Oh yes, and also make sure to clean the outside of the bowl. I am going to divide the fishes into two equal parts. It is totally optional. I prefer to do it like this so that the seasoning gets into every fish. You understand? I'm using the onga stew seasoning. You can use any seasoning of your choice, okay? And then clean the fishes once again with a clean paper towel. Once I'm done with that, I will add the seasoning powder to it. I chose onga seasoning powder because of the color, okay? And then add in some seasoning sauce. I think it's Maggi seasoning sauce. I've forgotten the name, but then I will insert a picture on the screen. And also I added a little bit of salt to it. Remember, the seasoning, that is the onga seasoning, has some salt. The sauce also has some salt, and then I added in a little bit of salt to it. So you need to be very cautious when you are adding in the salt. Once I'm done with everything, I add everything back and make sure the seasoning, is evenly dispersed on the fishes. I massage it onto the fishes, and once I'm done with that, I cover it and let it sit for about 5 to 10 minutes. Already my oil is on fire. I add some chopped onions, and look at how the fishes are looking beautiful, like you watching this video. Oh yes. Okay, I start frying the fishes. Now when frying the fishes, I realized that this pot or this pan was not doing me good. So along the way, I had to change pans. Okay, you can see it started sticking bottom of the pan, so I had to change the pan. Now, because I wanted my second batch of fishes to fry very well, I sprinkle a little bit of flour in the oil and started frying the second batch. Now you can see the second batch fried very, very beautiful. Oh, you just see how all the fishes are looking sumptuous, delicious, and beautiful. Now I had to change pans again, okay? And this is the third batch of fishes. Look how beautiful they are, and they taste super, super delicious. So this, I would say, is the best way to fry your fishes. A very big thank you, and I hope to see you in my next video. Always remember to do everything in love. Cheers.